What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, we're going to be playing some more Pilot Training Flight Simulator. But today, I'll be using the F-18. I'll be using an F-18 Super Hornet. And I'll be flying from Greater Rockford Airport to Cyprus. Cyprus is an island, but the airport I'm going to on the Cyprus island is Larnaca Airport. And, because why not? Because it's a cool airport. But Greater Rockford Airport is the biggest airport in this game. But I'll be using this today. Oh no. Oh, why does that happen? Okay, now I have to turn back around. I don't want to have a stall warning. A stall warning? Warnings are bad. See how it comes up right there? Okay, now, oh, there we go. I'm on the ground. Oh my god. Alright. Alright. F-18 Super Hornet taking off. Alright, I press G. First person. If you press Z, you can barrel roll, or go upside down. It doesn't matter. What matters is getting to Cyprus Airport. Where is Cyprus Airport? I lost it. Oh, there it is. Okay, who's bombing me? Who is bombing me? Oh no. This is bad. I lost control. I lost control. Oh my god. Yeah, I lost control. Now I have to restart my flight. I don't want this airport. I want Greater Rockford Airport. Greater Rockford is right there. I don't want that airport. I want Greater Rockford Airport. Okay. Alright, so I have to restart. Okay, I am back in the air. Look at this dude. Boy, look at the chat. Oh my, this guy is talking in Spanish. Okay, who keeps bombing me? I swear, someone is bombing me. So now I have to slow down a lot. Oh, I might have to go back up. Landing gear down. I might have to go back up. Yeah, I have to turn around. My friend, Arsenal, you could, see his messages in the chat. He said, want to make an army together, and he's not talking to me, but, oh, I might need to go back up. Yeah, I need to go back up. I'm just gonna do a quick turnaround. Landing at Larnaca Airport. I did it. And it is very easy to do it. Let's go on the grass. Why not? And there you go. I'm gonna show you what it is, what it looks like. Here's the F-18 Super Hornet. It is a nice plane. Co-pilot, pilot, very, very cool. Oh, this guy, oh my god, he is crashing. Oh my god, this guy is crashing. This guy crashes. This guy crashes plane. Where's the greater? Where is Arsenal? I hear a helicopter. There's the helicopter. I am very fast. Oh, ow. I got struck. Oh yeah. Air Force One is a big plane. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. And I'm just spinning in circles right now. Oh, I messed that up. I think I just messed it up. Oh my, what is happening? Um, guys, do you see this? That is not supposed to happen, but okay. Well, that is weird. I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!